Today we're checking out the TREBLAB HD77 Bluetooth speaker. I want to thank them for sending this over to review on the channel. Normally starts at about $89, but is currently on sale for $69. I'll leave a link down below with current pricing and more information. This is the gray version. I believe there's two other colors as well. This one has 30 watts and actually has 360-degree sound. It's IPX7 waterproof, up to 20 hours battery life. Also has TWS pairing. Also has passive bass radiators there on the ends. Somewhat similar style to a JBL Flip 6 or even the 7 that's coming out. Although this one has built-in lights there on the ends. Okay, I kind of like this gray color. Actually feels like nice build quality. Pretty similar fabric to what you see on a JBL Flip 6. Kind of a rugged material here on the ends. You can see it has sort of a flat section where it sits. Also has a silicone cover for the auxiliary jack and USB-C charging port. You can see the hook there for your strap or clip. Pretty simple controls. You've got your power, play and pause, volume controls, passive radiators there on the ends. As far as I know, there's no mobile app for this speaker, so you just connect it like you would any other Bluetooth device. Controls on here actually seem to work pretty good. If you tap and hold the volume up or down, it goes forwards or backwards. You can change the lighting effects just by double tapping on the play button to cycle through the different lighting effects. You can see it's pretty comparable size to the JBL Flip 6. And like I said, feels almost identical as far as the fabric used. Here's a quick sample just to show you how it compares to the JBL Flip 6.
Fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Not sure if you can tell from those samples, the TREBLAB speaker sounds a lot better than expected. It seems like it's about the same loudness as the Flip 6. I do think the bass could be a little bit better, and I do wish it had a mobile app where you could adjust things like with JBL and most of the other popular brands to make it have a fuller sound. But for the price, I think most people will be satisfied with how this speaker sounds. Of course, it may depend on what types of stuff you'll be listening to. JBL might feel just a little bit better as far as build quality, but overall I like what TREBLAB is doing with their speakers recently, giving you a pretty similar experience to some of the more popular brands at a more affordable price.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you can get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath.